The beauty of the water birds. Water birds are everywhere. You can see them at lakes, ponds, rivers, and lots of them are varied in their variety. Mallards are the most common species. The males are much more colourful than the females. Canada geese form noisy flocks and are regarded as nuisances in areas where large numbers occur. They are introduced species from North America and eat a range of vegetation including grass, seed and roots. Cormorants are often seen standing with their wings held out to dry. You see them all year round and they eat fish. The male mandarin duck has the most elaborate plumage with distinctive long orange feathers on its side of its face. Females are dull in comparison with grey heads and white stripe behind its eye. Tufted ducks are medium-sized diving ducks and are smaller than the mallard. Males are black and white with golden eye, and the females also have a golden eye but are all brown.